Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all fine. In this video I tell you about introduction of cow card. Enter new pen in Dairycomp305 and enter pen in Dairycomp 1 by 1 and enter group wise. Hide unhide toggle outlook bar. ID delete and restore. This all thing today in my videos. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. You are requested to share my video with your friends so that they can also get something by watching my videos on my channel. I will teach you all about this software on my channel. If any friend needs help regarding this software, he can contact me. I will guide everything. First, I introduce of main page of Dairycomp305. I enter the ID and click enter button. This page will be open on your screen. This is the ID number, pen number. Lactation. Dim days in milk. Agedy, how many age in days. RPRO, mean reproductive code of cow. DSLH, mean days in last heat. DCC, days carried calf cow. DEW, mean due to fresh cow, how many days remaining days to be fresh. TBRD, mean how many time cow bred. DEW dry, mean how many days after cows dried off. Cut it close up, date how many days cow moved to close up. DMLK1, mean last day milk you receive milk from milking parlor. Age, how many age of animal. Calf 1, mean cow birth the calf. What I number, we give this number on this area. Remarks, any remarks do you enter here. This is items 1 cow, all data you see there. This is items 2 cow, all data also be there. We change the items and create new items. I will tell you in my next videos. Test days, you make manual milk reading and enter in Dairycomp you see on there. Dam info, cows mother ID, all data will be there. How many lactation have, how many milk have, and etc. This is the lactation page. If your Dairycomp connected with milking parlor, your all milking data you see in this tab. Next, I tell you how to delete and restore cow ID. Delete, enter in command bar. A dialog box will be open. You enter the ID do you want to delete and press enter button. Enter delete ID in command bar. Your ID will be delete from your software. Next, how to restore the ID number. In command bar, enter restore and press enter. One dialog box will be open. You enter the cow ID do you want to restore. Enter ID and press enter. ID will be restored. Next, I tell you toggle outlook bar button. Click on toggle outlook bar button in the side of software. The outlook bar will be hide. And then click again to toggle bar button. Outlook bar will be appear again. In this toggle outlook bar you see 3 button in toggle outlook bar. 1 is reports. 2nd is entries. 3rd is system. About in this all button and how we use in software I will tell you in my next videos. Pen and delete the pen in Dairycomp305. In command bar, enter alter and press enter button. One dialog box will appear on your screen. Double click on the pen definition tab. Pen setting box will be appear on your screen. Click on the add button. Dialog box will be appear on your screen. Enter the pen number on there. And click on OK button. Select the category and enter capacity do you want, enter the label and then press OK. How to enter the delete pen in Dairycomp305. In command bar, enter alter and press enter button. One dialog box will appear on your screen. Double click on the pen definition tab. Pen setting box will be appear on your screen. Select the button do you want to delete. Click on the delete button. Dialog box will be appear on your screen. Y and your pen will be delete in your software. This is my today tutorial about ID, delete and reset, how enter new pen and delete pen form, Dairycomp, and also toggle outlook button. In my next videos I tell you how to enter pen 1 by 1 and how to enter pen group wise, and Aslo tell you about vaccine, how to create items and how to enter vaccine group wise and how to enter 1 by 1 and to enter all herd vaccine. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos.